Hi guys, how you doing? This is Sylheti with another video on update on CHEK and Bngo or Bngo. I'm going to talk about three new stock. So before I start, this is not a financial advice or intent. It's just for entertainment purposes only. And those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe for more videos. And if you don't mind hitting the like button, that would help with the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so let's look at the market first. Look at the UK FTSE 100. It's gone up 3.5%. It added roughly 60 billion to the UK stock market. And the Dow's gone up 1.4%, just over 30 or just under 31,000 points. Okay, so let's look at CHEK. CHEK Capital. Sorry. I bought this one just for about 80 cents, and it's done great. It's gone up quite a bit. It went over $2.60 or 40 cents. Now it's got a pullback as expected, and it's kind of settling around the £1.50 mark. $1.50, I mean. So the pullback's expected, and those of you who want to get in, now would be a good entry point, because he had that massive pullback, and just by looking at the charts, it looks like it's gonna hover around the £1.50 or $1.50 mark. And the catalyst for this is next week, where they gonna announce hopefully some sort of good news. So it's gonna happen next week, so keep an eye on this one. And so what they do is basically where is it? They produce a capsule for colorectal illnesses. What it does, you take the capsule and it scans your entire GI system. I've made a video on this, have a look, so I won't go through it. They're based in Israel, and they trade in the US. Okay, so let's look at the other one, which is Bngo. Again they had a massive run up. As you can see, it's gone up huge. It went up over $7 at $1.724, and as you can see, it had a great pullback. So again, those of you who want to get in under 5, it's a good entry point. Again, it's a very high risk company, so I don't advise anyone to actually buy, because they're very risky. But if you don't mind the risk and losing all your money, then this could be for you. Again, they're in the the genome in the genome space. They deal with genetic mapping. Again, there's a video on this, have a look. There's been a couple of great video out by another YouTuber called Dead and Side. Have a look at his channel. He's got great in-depth analysis on that one. Okay, in terms of profile, they are based in California in the healthcare sector, diagnostic and research. So these are the people in charge. yeah, so again, it's been a great stock. Those of you that bought in, I'm sure doing very well. Those of you that want to get in, buy under 5. uh, I believe it's a good entry point because they had that massive pullback, as you can see, from just over $7 to just under 5. So yeah, so now let's look at some UK stock. Before I do that, let's look at the oil price. Yeah, wow, it's gone up. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour, 4 hour chart. Wow, look at that. Yeah, the main reason for them going up, or the oil price going up, is mainly due to OPEC cutting production. Saudi reduced the output by over 1 million, so that's one of the reasons why it's going up, and it's doing really well. Okay, so the oil price is doing well, and let's look at one company. Okay, this one is JKX Oil and Gas. It's a British-based company listed in London. They operate mainly in Russia and Ukraine, and they are European kind of heavy in that geography. But they also have few assets in North America. Okay, let's look at the share price. The reason that I'm talking about JKX is because they are a debt-free company, so they have no debt, and the oil price is, as you saw, is going up, and I believe they're going to do very, very well once the oil price goes up. Again, everything's related to oil price. So let's look at the 1 month movement. Yes, not much. Let's look at 5 day movement. Yeah, so they've gone up about 10-15%. Let's look at 6 month. Yeah, it's in the last 6 months. Wow, as you can see, they really went up, almost doubled. Okay, so this is a good company to look at. They give no, at the moment they don't give any dividend, but they used to. Again, it's a very good oil play, those of you that's interested. Let's look at another one. For Pharos Energy. Again, this one, it's a very good company. They have no debt, which is good. They used to give dividend, not at the moment. Okay, so let's look at, as you see the 6 months chart, I mean, it's like a nice U shape. So from, they used to be around 10p, so yeah, they're almost doubled in the last 5 days. Yeah, gone up. Yeah, let's look at all max. Yeah, so they used to be over just under £5. Now they are 20p. Again, they have no debt, so therefore I'm not worried too much about the finance. And let's look at where are they based and what they do. Yeah, so they're a London-based company. They're in the oil and gas sector, and their main operation, I believe, is in Asia. Where about? Vietnam, I believe. Let me have a look at here. Yeah, Pharos Energy, they previously known as Soko International. It's an oil gas company headquartered in London. They've changed their name to Pharos in 2019. What else do they do? Where are they based? Yeah. Okay, so they explore in Asia and Middle East, mainly in Vietnam and Egypt. Okay, yeah. Okay, again, there's a very good low risk energy company. Those of you that's interested, have a look. Their ticker symbol is PHAR. They're based in London. The name is Pharos Energy. And okay, let's look at another one that's in the oil services. It's called PHAR. Okay, they've done really well today. It's gone up just on over 9%. So they basically service the oil rigs. They designed, engineer pipelines, and yeah, so they're more into the maintenance side of oil and gas sector. So let's look at the 1 month chart. Okay, let's look at all-time high. Yeah, so they used to be just under £20 a share. Now it's £1.62, and I believe they can't go any lower. They've been as low as £1. And again, they used to give dividend. At the moment, yeah, they are still giving dividend actually. Yeah, so it's a great company. Yeah, with the MCAP of 590 million, I mean, it's a no-brainer. This one looks very good. It's run by a guy called Ayman Asfari. Yeah, let's look at profile. Okay, they are under the ticker symbol PFC. Trade in London. Yeah, it's called Mr. Ayman Asfari. He's the main guy. Okay, it's an oil services company, provides services to oil and gas, and operates through segment engineering and construction, engineering and production, and integrated energy services. Okay, yeah, so again, this is a very good long-term oil play. Those of you that's interested, have a look. The share price is very low and the debt is very, very small. Yes, I'm not worried about their financials. Let's have a look anyway. Yeah, their total revenue is just over $5.5 billion. So it's not bad. Balance sheet, cash flow. Debt. Where is debt? Let's look at the debt. Current debt. Okay, so it's just over 400 million, which is nothing. The long-term debt 600. Again, the debt is very small compared to the revenue, as you saw, is over 5.5 billion. So I'm not worried. Yes, it's a great stock. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, then please press the like button and subscribe. And if you want to trade, you can use the link below, trading 212. If you use the link, you'll get a free share. I'll get a free share, and that way you are helping me with the channel and supporting. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, please I'll wait for the next video to come out, and until then, goodbye and thank you for watching.